I'd like to share with you how I cook vermicelli in the microwave. So first I start off by breaking the vermicelli. I always buy these round ones from Sainsbury's mainly. Okay, I then add cooking oil and salt, and then I cover it up with boiling water, and then I mix this consistently for 40 to 50 seconds. And then I strain. I don't mix it again. I just put it straight into the microwave for 4 minutes. So once it comes out, it's very hot, so a little bit sticky. You can use two forks to separate them, but if you add a bit of cold water, it loosens it up and make it very easy to mix. I then put it back in the microwave for 4 minutes, and then it's out finally. So it's the same mixing process. Now it's ready, but I just add a little bit of water again to loosen it up. And it's ready. So you can add mixed veg and sausages, but I always like to put mine in some onion sauce, like in the beginning of the video. Thank you so much for watching.